As I said previously, in this video I am going to explain the classification of matter. முன்னாடி சொன்ன வீடியோவில் மாதிரி இந்த தடவை பொருளின் வகைப்பாடுகள் நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். Previously we have explained about pure substance and their examples, then impure substance and their examples. லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்த்து pure and impure substanceோட எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தோம். Now let's get started into the video. Now I think you have gotten clear idea about matter is classified into two types. One is pure substance and another is impure or mixture substance. To know more details about the pure and impure or mixture substance, you can look at the top right corner of I button. இந்த வீடியோவோட டாப் ரைட் கார்னர் ஐ பட்டனில் நான் இந்த வீடியோ லிங்க் கொடுக்குறேன். பியூர் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் அண்ட் இம்பியூர் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸோட ஃபுல் டெஃபினிஷன் அந்த வீடியோவில் இருக்குது. அந்த லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணி செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். Now let's get into the topic. Pure substance is classified into two types. One is elements and another is compounds. பியூர் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் ரெண்டு வகைப்படும். அது ஒன்று எலமெண்ட்ஸ் தனிமம், இன்னொன்று காம்பவுண்ட்ஸ் கலவை. Impure or mixture substance is classified into two types. One is homogeneous mixture and another is heterogeneous mixture. இந்த impure mixture substance ரெண்டு வகைப்படுது. ஒன்று homogeneous mixture ஒரே விதமான தன்மை கலவை, இன்னொன்று heterogeneous mixture பல்முகத்தன்மை கொண்ட கலவை. Pure substance classification. புனித பொருட்களின் வகைப்பாடுகள். Element and compounds. An element made up of only one kind of atom, and compound made up of one more than one kind of atom. It states that single atom is said to be known as element. That is, for example, uranium-235 is an one single atom. Not only uranium-235, K potassium is also known as single atom element. And for compound, more than one kind of atom is known as compound. Example, CH4 methane. Not only CH4 methane, example C2H6 also a compound, and its physical structure will be carbon. 2 carbon is surrounded by 6 hydrogen atom. And the second point says the smallest particle that retain all its property is an atom. For compound, the smallest particle that retain all its properties is the molecule. ஒரு தனிமமோட சிறிய துகள்கள் அணுவால் தான் இருக்கும். இதுவே ஒரு கலவையில் காம்பவுண்டில் சிறிய துகள்கள் பார்த்தோம்னா அது ஒரு மாலிக்யூலாக தான் இருக்கும், கலவையாக தான் இருக்கும். இந்த எலமெண்ட் சிங்கிள் ஆட்டம் uranium-235 that contains only atom that, and potassium also retains single atom. We cannot able to separate it. Whereas in compound there won't be a single CH4, there will be many CH4. If we break that one CH4, we will get n-1 CH4 from the n number of CH4. So second point states that if we remove one molecule from the compound, there will be n-1, or if we remove two molecules from the compound, we will get n-2 of CH4. So this is the difference between elements and compound. Coming to third point, elements says cannot be broken down into simpler substance, while compound says can be broken down its elements by chemical method. As the third point says, uranium-235 element or potassium element cannot be break down into simpler substance, whereas in compound contain more than one kind of atom, example C2H6 ethane, physical structure can be break down into simpler substance by using chemical reactions. So that's it guys, these are the differentiation between elements and compounds from the pure substance classification. So now let's get into the mind map to recall elements, compounds. Elements is classified into four types. One is metal, non-metal, metalloids and noble gases. Whereas in compounds, molecules. In elements, metals examples copper, chromium, gold, mercury and etc. These are the common examples for metal elements. For non-metal elements, carbon, oxygen, neon, chlorine are the common examples for these elements. For metalloid elements, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, etc. Noble gases elements like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, etc. For compounds, pure substance, there are many examples like CH4, methane, C2H6, ethane, etc. Now, the compounds and elements are retained, like for elements, atom will be retained or atom will be separated from elements. And for compounds, molecules are retained or separated from the compounds. There is an irony: molecules can be atoms and atoms can be molecules. For example, molecule like H2O structure can be atom. We can be separate H2 and O as an atom. For atom, we can combine 2H2 plus O oxygen. We can say that molecules can be atom. Atom can be molecules. Next video we will discuss about impure or mixture substance. So please like, share and subscribe Kevin's Chemistry.